In this video, I will show you how to fix the IRQL, not less or equal blue screen of death, on Windows 10 and 11. If you've seen that frustrating IRQL not less or equal crash, you're not alone. This BSOD often means a driver or RAM conflict is tripping up your system. This fix works the same on Windows 10 and 11, using tools you already have, so let's get your PC stable again. First, press Windows key and R to open Run. This gets you to Tools fast. Type CMD, hold Control and Shift, then hit Enter to run command prompt as admin. This lets you fix system issues. Click Yes if prompted. Next, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This runs a system file checker which deeply scans your system for corrupted or missing files that could trigger the BSOD, repairing them automatically. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so grab a coffee while it works its magic. After that, restart your PC. If the crash lingers, run Windows Memory Diagnostic, press Windows key, type Memory Diagnostic, and hit Enter. This tool checks your RAM for errors causing the IRQL issue, running a full test that reboots your system and shows results on restart. Fixing RAM problems can stop the error cold. To check results later, look in Event Viewer after reboot, search for it, and check the Windows logs. Quick tip: avoid overclocking hardware and keep drivers current to prevent this BSOD. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you out.